Hello and welcome to my new video. This car is a Mercedes B200 Turbo and I'm replacing the starter on this car. Now the reason why I'm making this video because the procedure is different. It's actually the engine itself is a lot more complicated. However, to replace the starter could be a lot easier than the non-turbo models. I will not go through the whole procedure as usual because it will be very boring, so I'll just tell you briefly what I'm doing. Just remove this hose and remove the air filter box. Disconnect the fuel hose. Make sure that you disconnect the battery first. Get this pipe out of the way. Remove the universal joint. The thermostat. Now the thermostat is not the same like the smaller engines or the other petrol models because it has an extra pipe here in the back, and that could be a challenge to remove, but I've done it, no problem. Now the starter actually, you need to remove this bracket as well. It's only a small bracket that holds the engine to the gearbox. And the starter lies in there, inside there. Oh, let's have a look inside. This is where the starter goes. Now there is enough room for the starter to come out. Now don't forget that you're trying to replace a starter on one of the most difficult cars to work on, so you need good quality and big variety of tools as well. This one here, this is to undo the nuts and bolts. This tool here is to access the bolt in the back one, that's the most difficult, and this tool here to undo the hose clips, universal joint, and this ratchet to undo the two nuts for the solenoid. Very long extension. Well, you need more than an extension. And the magic tool is this flexible driver that you can actually feed it from the back here and goes all the way to the starter. Once you loosen the nuts and the bolts, you can just fit a small socket here and undo it with ease. Now the good thing about this job is there is enough room to put your hand on top of the starter and you can reach all the bolts and nuts, unlike other models where you cannot. Okay. Right, now this is the new starter. And it should go like that. You can see I can put my hand very comfortably on top of the starter, and that is, you know, a lot of help, unlike the other models. And there you go. Now you can put all the two big bolts on the starter and the two nuts for the solenoid very easily, and then you can tighten them. Okay, good luck with yours.